In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Figma, whether you're switching to dark mode for late night work or just want a lighter interface during the day. Adjusting your theme can really improve your comfort and focus while designing. First, make sure you're on the main Figma screen, such as your recents or files view, not inside a specific design file. At the top of the Figma window, look toward the upper left area. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a profile picture, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu where you can access various account-related settings. In this drop-down, look for the option labeled Theme. Depending on your version, it may show something like Theme Light or Theme Dark next to it. Click on the Theme option. This is where Figma lets you choose how the interface looks, and it's all about your visual preference and comfort. Once you click Theme, Figma will either show you a small menu or an on-screen prompt where you can pick your preferred mode. Typically, you'll see options like Light, Dark, or sometimes System, which follows your computer's theme. Take a moment to think about when and how you use Figma. If you work mostly at night or in low-light environments, dark mode can help reduce eye strain. If you're often in a bright office or working outdoors, the light theme might be easier to see. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. This might be as simple as clicking the theme you want, or you may be asked to apply or save your changes. As soon as you make your selection, the interface should update almost instantly, so you can immediately see how the new theme feels. If the new theme doesn't feel right, don't worry. You can repeat these same steps at any time. Click your profile icon, select theme, and choose a different option. There's no limit to how often you can switch, so feel free to experiment until you find what's most comfortable for your eyes and your workflow. And